everybody. Hey, just want to say thanks and welcome you back to the Max and Me channel. Today, what I get to show you is some Cutco knives that I recently bought. I was at a camping and RV show, and I came across a Cutco booth, and let's just say the saleswoman saw me coming. So I made a purchase of these knives. I got a buy two get one free, and I bought these two and got this one right here for free. This is the 1891 black double D 2 3/4 inch lock back knife. This is the Cutco K-Bar Outdoorsman, and this is the Fisherman's Solution. Now today I am just going to show the 2 3/4 lock back. So Cutco, originally 1949, Alcoa and Case joined hands and started producing knives. And Cutco is mainly known for kitchen and institutional silverware, steak knives and such. A lot of restaurant supplies and such like that. However, they do manufacture others. Alcoa and Case, 1949, joined together. That's where the parent company Alcas, the Alcas Corporation, actually owns Cutco, Shilling Forge, and K-Bar, and they produce all these knives. But today we're just going to get into the Cutco and this 2 3/4 inch lock back folder. It does have, it's 4 inches closed. All the steel is made in America. One thing about Cutco, made in America and guaranteed for life. So if you break it, you send it back, they give you a new one. That's what made me buy this knife, and the others actually, was the lifetime guarantee. Because the blade steel is not really that great. 440A stainless. So a lot of people tend to shy away from the 440A because it's a soft steel. I bought this one because it is the serrated 2 3/4 inch lock back. Pretty solid knife. It locks up pretty good, and there is absolutely no play in it. Like I said before, all parts are made in America except for the small hardware, the pins, and the pocket clip. The pocket clip is movable for left or right tip-up carry. So just show you there. It does have a small lanyard hole also. It's a nylon composite handle. They don't really get into the specifications if it's, you know, Zyx or one of them other composites. Yeah, the blade is actually 2 7/8 inches long, hollow grind, and the handle is 4 inches, so that makes the total length of the knife 6 7/8. Let me just show you the other side on that, and you can see the Cutco made in America or USA stamp on it. Pretty solid knife. 2.2 ounces, super light. I don't even think I'm gonna remember that I'm carrying this thing when I start carrying it, because that's how light it is. Put it in your pocket and it's gonna feel non-existent. That's how light it is. The action on it is pretty solid. It opens up pretty solid with the Spyderco-like loop. More of an oval than a round circle like Spyderco, but the same principle in the opening. I would say it's about 4 inches, 4 millimeters in thickness. And just an all-around great knife. A little expensive though, in my opinion. $93 for this knife. So I'm going to make this one short, guys. That is the Cutco 2 3/4 inch 440A stainless lockback knife. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Check me out on Google+. You can hit up Max and me on Google+. You can come to the EDC Knives community on Google+, and you can come share your knife purchases or your knife review videos. We hope to see you there. If you guys enjoyed the video, please, hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell. Ring the bell to get notifications. And hey, if you don't want to subscribe and you watch the video till the end and you enjoyed it, hey, at least give me a like. That would be great. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you all have a good and safe, happy week. Peace out, YouTube. Best wishes.